Okay, hello. I'm playing with my friend, and yeah, we are playing.
Don't press the button 7.
No, it's don't press the button 7.
4 turns.
Okay, sorry.
Okay.
No, it's my third. So each one time we're gonna switch, starting now.
No, I get to go.
No, okay.
Okay. So we'll try to get this video to 500 subscribers and 1,000
Like and subscribe to my boy.
Like and subscribe, and we'll choose someone in the comments to pick go to the carpet, to pick what we're gonna do next for this channel.
I don't know how to get them, but I think I'll try to explain to you.
Just like and subscribe, and then
I may get complicated. I don't know
like and subscribe. Try to get 2. I didn't get 2 because we lost.
It's turn 2.
They happened to me. Yeah, I fell. Oh, that's the second time. Second time today, and that was a burger going.
Subscribe to Dead Huggy Wuggy.
Makalaka.
Yeah, press it.
Don't fall. Guys,
I can't get the coin.
if we win a round, everyone has to subscribe. Win. Everyone likes to subscribe if we win. Don't fail. Foul. Foul.
Yeah, you messed me up.
Okay.
Can we get one each? One each.
Okay.
Actually, no, two. Just two each. Two each. We get two each. I don't know if I pressed it. Wait, could we get it? Oh, that's my second one.
Okay, now we need to go.
Oh my gosh! Oh, hi Hazel. That was just my cousin's dog.
It's a random dog.
No, yo, that's my cousin's dog, bro.
His cousin's dog is random. His cousin's dog is random. Okay, so now it's just me. Oh shoot. My dog. Jeff! Go in the house, go in the house. Bye-bye, Mommy. Hi, Mommy.
Yo,
Mommy has a cool sword. Mommy wants
no,
a
wait,
cool
go. No, wait, go. No, go. Wait, go in the roof. Go. You can go in the roof. You know that? Okay.
Kill me, Mommy. Kill me.
Now it's your turn.
Kill me, Mommy. How about every time we die?
No, it's your second.
Sushi. Sushi. We got this video. 500 subscribers. We will
Buy the chest
play
plate.
this game again, but we'll try to get 10 wins in a row. Okay? Next time, I'll join in. Next time, I'll join in.
Right hip. Well, it's the wall.
Good. It's my turn.
No, it's my second first. Second. Or first.
You just had to turn right before. to get hit by lasers or dodge them? Yes, it's finally the normal way. Hola, hola, hola. No, I get to. Mommy said, Mommy said if I beat myself. Wait, what?
Wait. If you go to,
Hi, Jenna. Gen Alpha wall.
Oh, that's actually kind of creepy.
I actually laugh like Pennywise.
Survive Jenna, Joanna. Okay,
Survive
guys,
Jenna.
that's it for today's video. See ya.